Assalamu alaikum 7th class students. D2 maths exercise number 1D. It's advanced level. Last question number 11 today. Today is lecture number 25, question number 11. Let's see what question number 11 says. The force of attraction between two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Means two magnets are there and the force of attraction between the two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. उनके दरमियान दो मैग्नेट्स हैं, उनके दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस है ना, डिस्टेंस का डबल द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जो है उसके इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके? डिस्टेंस के स्क्वायर के. फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन क्या है? इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है दोनों मैग्नेट्स के दरमियान square of distance की. Clear? When the magnets are r centimeter apart, means if the distance between the both two magnets is r centimeter, it's given the force of attraction between them is f newtons. उनके दरमियान फोर्स जो है वो f न्यूटन है, डिस्टेंस जो है वो r सेंटीमीटर है. इफ़ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द मैग्नेट्स इज़ इंक्रीज बाय 400%, अगर उनके दरमियान फोर्स को 400% इंक्रीज़ कर दिया जाए, मीन्स इट्स इंक्रीज्ड बाय 400%, इट्स इंक्रीज्ड, द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन दैम बिकम्स CFN. तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन क्या बन जाएगी? CFN. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ C. स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. I hope so statement is clear to you. Now the force of attraction between two magnets is inversely proportional to the square of the distance first. First of all, we will let that what is the attraction, force of attraction it denotes, and what is the distance. First of all, we will let that. Yes, students, let the force of attraction between two magnets is Xn. N means Newton because force is always in Newton, and the distance between the two magnets be YCM. Means it will be YCM. CM means centimeter. Distance is always in centimeter because it's also given here in centimeter. So we have let these both by ourselves. Now what is the relation between the distance and the force? They both are inversely proportional. Yes, students, now the relation between force and the distance is x. X's force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. This relation is given in question, so we will follow this relation now. As x is inversely proportional to y square, so we will write this formula. Then x is equal to k by y square. Means x is inversely proportional to y square. So we have made x is equal to k by y square, where k is constant. K is constant here. And now when x is equal to f is given, x is equal to f and y is equal to r, means r centimeter and f newton. X is force and y is distance. We will place these values in the equation. X is equal to f and k as it is because we don't know, and y is r, means r square. So f is equal to k by r square. If you want to find the value of k, then two methods are there. First is you will multiply by r square on both sides, or you will cross multiply. So k is equal to f r square. Clear? K is equal to f r square. What is the value of? Okay, fine. Now we'll move. Later we can place these values. X is equal to k is equal to fr square. Now we can find the value, we can place the value of k in this equation. In first equation, k value is x is equal to k by y square. K means f r square by y square. Now this is our general equation. Now we will continue our next question from this equation. Now students, let's see what question is. The question is now, if the distance between the magnets is increased by 400%, means the distance is increased by 400%. स्टूडेंट्स देखें, डिस्टेंस को 400% इंक्रीज़ किया जा रहा है, बढ़ाया जा रहा है. दोनों मैग्नेट्स के जो दरमियान डिस्टेंस था उसको 400% इंक्रीज़ किया जा रहा है. डिस्टेंस था कितना? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो दैट how much distance was there. The distance is r centimeter. Okay, r mean first of all we have to find the 100%, then we can find the 400%. Suppose r is 100%, then we can add 400% more. R is given and then increase 400% more. It's mean r is 100 and 400 more will be increased. So we will write that y is equal to, it will be 100% plus 400 because it's increased now, into r. 100 plus 400, it will be 500% by 100 into r. So y will be equal to 5r. Clear? When y is equal to 5r, we place the value in this equation, y in equation 2, that is x is equal to f r square by 5r square. Yes, 5r square. X is equal to f r square. Now open it square, it will be 25 r square. R square will be cancelled to each other. Here we will get that, sorry, not x, it's y. Yes, it's y. 1 by 25 into f. If we will divide 1 by 25, it will be equal to, y is equal to 0.04f. It will be equal to 0.04f. Students, now y is equal to 0.04 f. This is the distance. We have to compare it, that is given in question. X is equal to cf, means distance if is increased by 400%, it will be cf, means x, sorry, force will be equal to cf. So if we will increase it, yes, it will be x, because we have placed the value of y here. We have placed the value of y here, so that is x. So we will compare x by x, means force will be compared with force. So force will be compared with force. This is the given and this is which we have found. Now we will compare x by x and f by f, and c will be in this way. C will be 0.04. Fine, and that is the given value which was required to find the value of c. So the value of c is 0.04. So students, this is question number 11 of exercise number 1D. Last question, advanced level. It's also very easy question. So if you will practice it for 1 or 2 times, it will be very easy for you. You will practice it and solve on your register. Inshallah, I'll check. In next lecture, we will start 2E. Till then, Allah Hafiz.